Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nana. Good morning, all of you. Are you
Ma'am,
all
I cannot see
practicing?
you, ma'am.
You cannot see me?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, webcam is not fixed over here. So for today, it may becomes a little problem with that video. But you can hear me clearly, right?
Little, ma'am.
Little? Only little.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Why, Nirve? Increase the
Ma'am,
volume.
I can hear you
What
fully,
about
fully,
others?
fully.
What about others? You can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just show your thumb, okay?
Ma'am, little, ma'am.
Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now let us start the class. Morning, anyhow, lot of time got wasted.
Ma'am.
See, children, you all keep ready with your textbooks and notebooks. Always, whenever you are attending for the maths class, you people should be ready with your maths textbook, notebook, and practice book, or else rough book. Rough book, it's better, no? Practice book you can practice later, but you have to be ready with your textbook, course book, notebook, and practice book. So let us go to page 27 here. Textbook page 27. Somebody is singing songs. Open textbook page 27. Let us do one problem from these problems, and I'll give you as homework. The actual thing is you should know how to arrange numbers while subtracting. Okay, while subtracting numbers, you should know how to arrange them in under proper place values and how to subtract. Okay, just let us do one problem from this page. Second bit, from the first bit, what is the question? Subtract the following. Is it there? Can you view it? Can you see it, all of you? Okay. Subtract the following. Which one we can do now? All these are based on without regrouping problems. No need of taking borrow, nothing. Simply you can subtract from their place values. So let us take first one only for this. Otherwise, we'll take the larger digit number here, EBIT. In EBIT, Vanilla, tell me what is the numbers? What are the numbers you have there for EBIT?
Ma'am, 75,000.
No. See the place values there. That is a 6-digit number. 6-digit number always starts with lakhs place. Tell me now.
7,50,000.
52,000.
52,136.
Again you read now.
7,52,136.
Good. It's 7,52,136. Next. Sai Kirtan, read the next one. Mute yourself. Vanilla.
Ma'am, I cannot see anything.
Why, Nana? I have not written anything. From the textbook, I'm telling you to see the number. Textbook page 27. EBIT. First question, EBIT. Question 1, EBIT. Read the
7
second.
lakhs.
Read the second number.
2 lakhs. 10,014.
Very good. But while reading the number, you should not use the plural form of those place values. Okay, you people are saying like 2 lakhs, 7 lakhs. No, that will be applied only while writing the place values. While reading a number name, how you have to read it in the singular form only, like 2,10,000 and 14, 7,52,136. Got it? Now let us subtract these two. It's textbook page 27, question 1, EBIT. Let us do it first, okay? It's 7,52,136. 2,10,000 and 14. Let us subtract these two. See, without any regrouping part, we are going to get the answer here. Always you should start from the ones place while solving, while subtracting or adding numbers or multiplying numbers. You should start solving from the ones place onwards. Put your pencils in front of you and start doing that problem, all of you. Okay? See, ones place number is what? 6. 6 minus 4 is how much? You all know that it's 2. Right, children? 6 minus 4 is 2. Coming to next place value, tens place, we have 3 and 1. 3 minus 1 is how much? It's 2 again. Coming to hundreds place, 1 minus 0 is how much? 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. When any number, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the same number itself. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer here you got is how much? It's 5,42,122. Just completed. In the same manner, you have to do all the remaining problems also, children. Sriram, any doubt? You have raised your hand. Sriram,
Ma'am, I did not get question like that.
where you are writing? In notebook?
20. No, ma'am. Textbook.
Textbook only, Nana. EBIT. Look at EBIT.
EBIT.
Question 1, EBIT.
Oh, I think first. Okay, ma'am.
Abhidev, any doubt? Abhidev,
Ma'am.
any doubt? You have raised your hand.
Ma'am.
Vinmay? Yes.
Textbook, ma'am.
Yes? Vinmay? Yes, you have to write in textbook now. Okay. I said to open textbook page 27. I have written on the board also. Yes? Sriram, lower your hand. Put down your hand. Nirvi, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, another all bits we have to do at homework.
Yes, you have to do all the other bits as homework. I have given you some example bit. Here, this kind of problems you can do it very easily. Let us first know how to arrange numbers under proper places and how to subtract. That's why I'm giving you only one bit from this one. Remaining all you can do it very easily. Okay. Now, coming to next bit, second bit, question 2. Come to question 2, children. Down part. Find the difference. What is the question given? find the difference. Find the difference. Difference means what? Shashank, tell me, what do you mean by difference? First, unmute yourself. Unmute it. Okay, always there will be a problem with it. Now it is unmuted. Now you can tell me. Shashank, I cannot hear you. Kritik Raj, on your video, Nana. Praneet and all of you should on your videos. Tell me, Netra, what do you mean by difference? What is difference? What is meant by difference? You know, Kritik? What is meant by difference? Difference means what? Difference means the answer. Yeah, Huria. Tell me, Nana. Tell me, Huria.
The answer we get after subtraction is called difference.
Yes, very good. The answer which you get after you subtract numbers is called difference. Whenever a question is given like find out the difference. If a question is given like find out the difference, you people should not get confused. What there you have to do? You just have to find out the answer by subtracting the numbers. Okay. Now let us subtract the numbers. Let us take which one may let us take D bit, children. Siri, tell me what are the numbers in the D bit? What are the numbers you can see in the D bit? D bit. You have textbook with you? Open your textbook. See the question 2. Find the difference is there, no? In that, look at the D bit. Say the numbers. What are the numbers you can see? What are the numbers you can see in D bit? D bit. Try it, no problem. If it is correct, I'll tell it as correct. If it is wrong also, I'll tell you how to read that number. Okay. Till. Try it, Nana. Okay, shall we give chance to others? Try to understand and try to put concentration when I am explaining. Okay. Lasya and others are hiding your faces. Always I should say this to on the videos. Sanvi, tell. Sanvi.
Ma'am, 9,000. Ma'am, 9 lakh.
Very good. 9 lakh. Lasya, tell me the next number.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
70,000, ma'am.
Which one you are looking, Nana? Which one you are at? Open page.
Ma'am, 72, ma'am. 27, ma'am.
Till now. Tell properly. Read out the number properly now.
Ma'am, in second bit, find the difference.
Find the difference. D bit we are going now. We are going through the D bit. Read out the question.
ma'am.
Second bit. Second number you have to read out. Read out that number. Make it fast.
Second number. Second. Ma'am,
Hmm.
70,000, ma'am.
Where are you, Lasya? No, I'm not asking about the answer. I'm not asking, Lasya. I'm asking the
ma'am.
second number. With which number we have to subtract? That number you read out.
7,
Already-
ma'am.
Already it is given there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out that number. See, one number is 9 lakh. Next number is? Next number is? It's 2,74,896. Now listen here, all of you, very carefully. Otherwise, you will face problem afterwards. Listen here very carefully. What you can see in the first number? All zeros only, right? Till 10,000's number, till 10,000's place, you have zeros. That means it is 9 lakh. Then how to subtract? How to subtract this number? Already you have learnt in the previous class also. But even then I want to explain you again. See, start subtracting from the ones place. Shashank, look at the number. Look at the board. What about others? I don't know whether you people are listening to me or you people are looking at the screen or not. So many have hidden your faces. You don't want to write the exam, children? Listen to me carefully, all of you. I'll be asking you the questions afterwards, after this explanation, okay? See, we have to start from the ones place onwards, right? But here is 0. How can we subtract 6 from 0? It is not possible to subtract greater number from a smaller value, right? Greater value from a smaller value. Let us make it as a greater number by taking borrow from the before numbers. But we have zeros in the before places also, all zeros only. Then what to do? We have to go to the number wherever we require one, so that we can take one number from it. Where it is near lakhs place. What is that number? It's 9. Then you cannot take this number borrow directly like this way. This is the wrong procedure. If you take directly to the from lakhs place to thousands place, how can you take? You have to come in a sequence order, like first let us take borrow to this place, before place. What is that place? 10,000's place. And let us make it as 10 and one number gone from 9. So it becomes 8, right? 1 is reduced in 9. So it becomes 8. Now you should not subtract in this place. You should always start from subtracting from one's place only. So we have to reach in this manner only till one's place. Let us start now again. Let us take, so this became 10, right? From this 10 again we can take borrow to this 0, right? But at that time what happens? 1 has got reduced in this number also. Now again the same journey starts here also. Here again you take 1 borrow and reduce 1 from this 10. And again take 1 borrow here and reduce 1 from this 10. And again you take 1 borrow to this 0, and again you reduce 1 from this one. So what are the numbers you got now? This became 10 and here became 9, 9, 9, 9, and this is 8, right? 8. Now start subtracting. All are ready with their values now. Got it? Let us subtract. 10 minus 6 is how much? 10 minus 6 is how much? Either you can take a forward counting, otherwise you can take backward counting also. If I take forward counting from 6 onwards, see, you have to start opening your fingers. I'll be saying like 6 after. Till 10 you raise your fingers. Till 10 all of you raise your fingers. I cannot able to see most of you children today. Close your fingers first, all of you. Close your fingers. Close your fingers, Praneeth. Start count forward, okay? So start counting forward. Start from 6 onwards. 6 after, open one finger. 7. Open one finger. 7. Open one finger, Shashank. 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many fingers you have raised? Yes, good. Indivar, everybody has are showing your fingers. Praneeth, show it properly. You have to raise 4 fingers. So 10 minus 6 is how